stop the car! Stop!
Wilson, why are you crying? What's all this commotion about?
My wife, a careless bastard ran her over. He was in a yellow car, they told me.
Wilson, you've got to get yourself together. Listen, I just got here a minute ago from New York. That yellow car I drove this afternoon wasn't mine. Do you hear me? I haven't seen it all afternoon.
Well, what color is your car?
I drove the blue coupe here. That's my car. My friend Gatsby owns the yellow car.
That goddamn coward, he didn't even stop his car.
Where are you going?
Roll sport, that'd be fun.
I'm gonna drain the pool today, Mr. Gatsby. Them leaves gonna clog it up.
No, not today, old sport. You know, I haven't gotten a chance to swim in it all summer, old sport.
Ha, cool. 12 minutes to my train. I must be going. I'll call you later, though.
Oh, all right, old sport. Goodbye, old sport.
Oh, by the way, they're a rotten crowd. But you're better than I.
Oh, now it's recording.
Oh, I'm just now recording. No, not today, old sport.
Top my finger.
You're in